Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this next DIY video, I'm going to show you how I created this very cute, inexpensive farmhouse wreath. Let's get started. First step, all I'm going to do is just put apart all of the greenery with the wire cutter. By the way, if you look online into the farmhouse decor, the lamb ear wreaths are very popular, but they are somewhat expensive. And knowing myself, of course I'm not going to pay $30 to $40 for just a wreath, so I decided to make it myself for half the price. Next step, very simple. Just put some hot glue onto the stems of the greenery and stick them onto the wreath. For the bow, I just cut a large amount of ribbon and just made some loops on the top. I am not good at making bows, I tried my best. Once I was done making the bow, I just made sure to look for the perfect spot so I can hot glue it onto. This wreath would look lovely indoor or outdoor. It is very nice. This is the finishing look. If you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you all for watching.